tours of world. Mr. Saransh Arora, he is leading the company, and I always book my travel through Saransh, and he is one of the best guy. He is not only a travel agent but a travel consultant. He basically gives you the best deal. He basically guides you to the best places, to the best property and all the places where you can visit around the property. So we stayed at Aachman Valley Resorts in Ashobra, just after Shimla. It's around 10 kilometers from Shimla. The property is very good according to the price, and most of the facilities mentioned earlier to us during our booking, and we found it quite reasonable, and I mean it's worth staying here. Thank you very much.